When collaborating with others performing design work focused on facilities, often you need to share your design data using alternate file formats like IFC. Solidworks 2022 has focused on improving both the efficiency and reliability of saving IFC file formats out for other design tools to leverage. Additionally, 2022 has improved its flexibility when reading IFC files as well. Now, when you open an IFC file, you can choose to filter specific object types to import, avoiding the need to open unnecessary geometry and focus on just the information you need to work with. All of this means the imported files both open faster, but also do not contain overly complex geometry for the specific design task you need to perform when working with IFC data. Also new for SOLIDWORKS 2022 is the ability to better support the export of DXF and DWG file formats from part files. Components often contain color information that is important for manufacturing processes, such as the color of sketches, bend lines, and other information. This is extremely valuable for downstream operations where colors can represent different manufacturing processes or parameters for NC tool equipment. SOLIDWORKS 2022 has improved the way you can collaborate with others by improving the overall import and export experience to various file formats.